Oatmeal and milk are not just for breakfast. What am I talking about? Stay tuned and find out. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, the top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Good day, friends. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an oatmeal milk and honey bath salt. I chose to make this today because I was out pulling weeds and my back and my muscles are very sore, and I want to use something in the bath water to help soothe those achy muscles. Now this is my own recipe. I will include it down below so you can enjoy the benefits as well. Now this has a lot of good ingredients in it, and each one of them are beneficial, and I'll go over each and every one of them with you. Now to begin with, we are going to use 1 cup of dead sea salt. Now you can use rock salt, sea salt, Himalayan salt, ice cream salt. I chose dead sea salt because it has a lot more benefits to it. So first of all, we'll go ahead and put in a cup of dead sea salt. Now, dead sea salt has a lot of ingredients in it in itself. It has magnesium, bromide, potassium, a lot of other ones as well. And some of the benefits include healing of skin tissue, soothes skin, relaxes the body, helps relax the muscles, calms the nerves, detoxifies, works with the liver to get rid of the toxins. It regulates the nervous system. It cleanses the pores. It relieves the stiffness of muscle cramps, and it boosts the immune system. Awesome stuff. Now next will come Epsom salt, and you've always heard of Epsom salt baths, and there's a reason for that. So we'll go ahead and put in a cup of Epsom salt. Now Epsom salts help with the dry, itchy skin, and it relaxes the achy muscles that you have. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir and break up all of the clumps that they sometimes get. And so next we're going to go ahead and do a 1/2 cup of baking soda. Now baking soda, also goes into the bath usually with the Epsom salt, and baking soda soothes the itchy skin. So we normally add baking soda and Epsom salts to a bath water. This has a lot more good stuff in it. So we'll put in a 1/2 cup of baking soda. I think my muscles are starting to feel better already, just in anticipation being able to use this bath salt in my bath water and soak my aching muscles. Okay, so next is going to be a 1/2 cup of milk powder. Now you can use a lot of different kinds of milk powder. You can use coconut milk powder, you can use goat milk powder, or regular milk powder. I chose the regular milk powder only because I already had it in my pantry. But choose whatever you would like. Now milk soothes the skin and is good for complexion, and the powder does the same. You just don't have to drink it. So we'll go ahead and have that in there and mix it up. And next we're going to add a 1/2 cup of oatmeal. It is, you need ground oatmeal, so you either need to get oat flour or you need to grind your own oatmeal. I chose to grind mine. I had just put it in a spice grinder and ground it up, and it will look the consistency of oat powder, and I do believe it probably will be cheaper to do that than to buy the oat flour. Plus, at my local store where I do my grocery shopping, they don't carry the oat flour. So a 1/2 cup of that. Oatmeal is an antioxidant. It helps undo damage by the pollution, UV rays, and reduce inflammation. So all of these ingredients are very good and beneficial for your skin, your muscles, your nervous system. It is good all the way around. And lastly, we're going to add the scent. It doesn't necessarily have to have any scent, but I decided that I wanted to add the oatmeal, milk, and honey. This is a soap fragrance from Hobby Lobby. Now you can use essential oils if you would like, or no scent at all. That's totally up to you. And you can add as much as you like, or as little as you like. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon to start with, and stir that up and smell it and see if it's enough for me. You know, it's totally up to you is how strong you want your bath salts to smell. It smells pretty good, but I'm going to add just probably about a 1/4 of a teaspoon more. And add that in there. And mix it up. And there you have it. It is all done. All you have to do is package it up. Very easy and very beneficial. And I'll be back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, I am back with the finished product. Before I show you those, I do want to clarify that my recipe is called oatmeal, milk, and honey bath salts. There is no real honey in the ingredients. I have that listed because I do use the oatmeal, milk, and honey soap fragrance. So if you don't use a fragrance or essential oil that has a honey in it, your recipe would only be oatmeal and milk. Just wanted to throw that out there. And here is the finished product. This one has a little beehive type jar. I just thought that was cute because of the honey aspect, and I wanted it to look kind of rustic, so I have it with the twine, and I hot glued a burlap bow on that. Just adorable. Put my label and the instructions on the top and the ingredients on the bottom. I did make 2 batches, so I ended up getting 7 jars out of that. I have 2 of the little beehive ones. I have 2 of these. Again, the twine, the hot glued bow, label, instructions, ingredients. And I have these jars as well. Twine, hot glued burlap bow, label and instructions on the top, and ingredients on the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I can hardly wait to use this. You can keep them for yourself or give them as gifts. They are really, really cute to give as gifts. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the little bell so you can get my future video notifications. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are all welcome. And I will see you next time.